Hi everyone, it's Lisa here and welcome back to Crochet with Lisa. Today I'm going to show you this cute bath set that I crocheted. This bath set is the perfect gift that you can quickly crochet. And there are 4 parts to this set. So first, I have a soap bag. You can slide a bar of soap into the top. You can get it wet and then it will lather nicely. It has a rope at the top, so it could be hung in the shower to dry. The rope can be tied to make one long loop, like this. Or, here's another one I've made, you can tie it into a bow. So whatever your personal preference is. I also want to mention that instead of a full bar of soap, you can also put smaller end pieces of soap in there as well to use up all those little bits. So second, I have this washcloth. The washcloth measures approximately 9 inches by 9 inches, or that's 23 by 23 centimeters. It is crocheted using a crisscross double crochet stitch, just followed by a row of single crochet. All the items in this bath set are crocheted with this same stitch. Third is the wash mitt. So this mitt fits right on your hand. And it's great for in the bath or in the shower. And the fourth item is this back scrubber. It's about 16 or 17 inches long, plus the handles. It is easy to customize this one by just increasing or decreasing the number of rows that you crochet. All of the items in this bath set you can increase or decrease easily. All of these items were crocheted using 100% cotton yarn and a 5mm crochet hook. The cotton yarn that I mainly used is Bernat Handicrafter yarn. It has a medium weight of 4. This coral color that I used as the contrast color on this set is called Coral Rose. The white here is just called white. Here is another set that I crocheted using different colors. On this one, the cream is also from Bernat and it's called Cream. The blue yarn I found in a Factory Mills end bag, and there were no names on that bag. But it also is 100% cotton yarn. So the color combinations are endless. Here are some other sets that I'm starting. So there's blue with a white as the border. I have a yellow with white as border. And here's a self-striping pink one that I have not decided on the border yet, the contrasting color. I'm going to divide this set into its 4 parts and put a video out for each part. You may want to do all 4 of these pieces or just 1 or 2 of them. In this video, I will show you how I crocheted the back scrubber. I will leave the video links in the description box below for the other 3 pieces, or you can just go into my channel, Crochet with Lisa, and find them there in the playlist, Bath Set. Let's get started. We'll start with a chain of 17. So I have my chain of 17. I'm going to do a single crochet in the second chain from the hook. Then I'm going to single crochet in each chain all the way across to the end. I'm just at the end of this row. Now I'm going to chain 2. So in this row we're going to do our crisscross double crochets. So we're not going to do anything in this very first stitch. We're going to look at our next 2 single crochets. So we're going to skip the first one. We're going to do a double crochet in the second one. Then we're going to double crochet back into that single crochet that we just skipped. So if we look at our work, we can see that this formed an X with our double crochets or crisscross stitch. I'm going to continue the same thing all the way across. So let's look at our next 2 single crochets. Skip the first one, double crochet in the second one. Double crochet back in that first skipped stitch. Continue the same pattern all the way across. I'll meet you at the end of the row. I'm just at the end of this row, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 crisscrossed double crochets, and I'm going to end with a double crochet, so just a single double crochet. Get that into that chain down there, or that single crochet. Okay, so you are going to always start with a double crochet, which is the chain 2. Always end with a double crochet. Chain 1, turn. Now we're going to single crochet in each double crochet all the way across. We're not going to go into that very first one because we've just done a chain 1 above that one. So in each of the other ones across, we'll put a single crochet. So I'm just getting to the end of this row, and I just want to show you here, putting my single crochets into the top of the double crochets. So here is that last double crochet, and then plus we have that chain 2, so we need to put a single crochet in there. If you don't get that single crochet into your chain 2, then you are going to lose stitches. We're just going to continue along following the same pattern. A row of crisscross double crochets, then a row of single crochet. We'll keep going until the work measures 17 inches or about 43 centimeters. Of course, you can make it longer or shorter depending on what your needs are. So we'll meet back here when my work measures 17 inches. I have finished my white section and I have fastened off my yarn. So now I'm going to take my contrast color, just going to join it somewhere along the side. Insert my hook, yarn over, pull back a loop, chain 1, and then single crochet in that same space. Just going to single crochet evenly along the side until I get to this corner, the corner before the short side. So just evenly space out your single crochets. Okay, now I'm at the corner. To make the handle for this back scrub, I'm going to chain 25. I have my 25 chains. Just going to turn my work, and I'm going to join those 25 chains to the opposite corner. So we're not going across here, we're just going to join over here in this corner. I'm just going to join it with a single crochet, and all along this side I'm going to evenly space out single crochets all the way down to this corner. This corner I'm going to do the same thing, stop at this corner, do 25 chains, and then connect it back over on this corner. Continue along this side doing single crochets, and then I'll meet you back here where we began this round. I'm just at the end of this round, and I'm going to slip stitch into that very first single crochet that I made, chain 1, and then I'm going to single crochet back into that same space. For the second round, I'm just going to put a single crochet in the top of each single crochet from the row before. When we get to this chain 25, we're just going to single crochet into each chain. So I'm just approaching it there now. In each chain, I'm just going to put a single crochet. When I single crochet into the chain, I'm just going to go through 2 of the strands. So instead of just going through the 1, go through 2 of them. Okay, and this is what it should look like. So we'll continue that same pattern all the way around, and then I'll meet you back here at the beginning of this round. I'm just at the end of this round, going to slip stitch into that first single crochet, snip my yarn, just fasten off. So all that is left to do for the back scrubber is just to weave in all of the ends. I hope you enjoyed this video, you found it easy to follow. Please like my video and subscribe to my channel, and you can follow along with some other great projects. Have a great day and happy crocheting!